How's it going? What you playing with today? You're in your saucer. I know. Yes. And are you playing with your zebra? Do you have your zebra? Hi, Mr. Zebra. Hi, Mr. Zebra. Gonna hold him? You gonna hold him? Boop. You gonna hold your Mr. Zebra, huh? No, maybe. Not sure yet. And then we got this new toy. Thank you to our sisters. Ooh. You want to punch his face? Make him squeak? Ooh. Good job. What about this one? Noisy, isn't it? Gonna sneeze? You look like you're about to sneeze. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, it's noisy. It's noisy. You make it make noise? You wanna try? Wow. Wow. Ooh. About this one. Mama needs another hand. Uh-oh. No spitting up during playtime. What about that? Maybe? Ooh, good job. Are you playing with the rattle part? You like all those beads. See all those beads in there, huh? Yeah, you're spinning it. What you got in there? You spin the beads? Can you spin it? Ooh, you got the bell. Yeah, it's fun, huh? Oh, you did a good spin. Very good spin. You want to spin again? Want to spin again? Yes. Maybe? Oh, good spinning. Very good spinning. Yes. Oh my goodness, you're doing so good. It's fun, isn't it? Your sisters used to like this toy too. It was one of their favorites. That's why we kept it. I know. Good boy. Good job, Moz. Good job. Very good. Very good. Good job. Look at you. Is that fun? Hi. Is that fun? Are you having fun? Are you having tons of fun? Yeah. Very good. Very good. You're making it make noise. You keep spinning that. You're doing so good. I know. You even got the cat's attention. Hi, Strat. You're doing a very good job. You're doing a very good job. I know. Interesting, isn't it? Want to see a different one?